Okay, so this is part 2 of a video of where I took this watch apart. In my previous video I did not zoom in close enough, as a lot of people have noted in the comments, and they're absolutely correct. So I'm going to see if I can do a better job at getting some close-ups. I won't go over all the details I did before, and then I will take some close-up still pictures and put a link or put them at the end of the video. Actually, I'll probably do both. I'll probably put a link to the super high res if anybody wants to get really close up and take a good look at this watch. So hopefully this one turns out better and you can actually see what the internal components of this watch is. And this is a Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean chronograph replica. It's supposed to be loose. I'm hoping that my camera can stay focused this time and at the same time be close enough to where you can see the details. I'm not sure if that's going to focus or not. Like I said, I will take some still pictures. Okay, and here's the actual movement. You want to take a close-up look at it. And you can see, maybe in the video, this gear down here, this little gold colored gear, actually has stripped out teeth, and that's why this watch no longer works. But here is the movement. Hope the camera picks it up this time. You can see all the blued screws that are in there, and the detail on the gears and the movement. And of course the Omega is actually etched on the weight, which is pretty amazing considering this doesn't have a clear case back. So the only people that would actually see this would be somebody that's servicing it or taking it apart. So it looks like we have 4 of the luminescence markers that are missing off of the dial. Here's the case. You can see it does have the O-ring around it to seal it. And I believe this does have decent lume on there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not in the reflection of light. It's got a little bit of a blue hue to it. Nothing like an actual genuine. Example is this one has less of a reflection. I'm not sure if you can see that or not on the camera, but you should be able to tell the difference side by side. So I will take some close-up pictures of all this and put those lines so you can see that, and hopefully that's much better than my last video that was very zoomed far back and the lighting wasn't very good and everything else. I can completely understand what people were complaining about. So, but anyway, thank you for watching.